Welcome back. In previous session we completed up to here. In this step we are going to receive the goods from vendor against the purchase order. Now go to SAP, MIGO. Now before receiving the goods we will go and check MMBE for final product. This is my final product. Execute. See, stock is 0 for subcontracting finished product. Now copy this PO. Here select goods receipt. Press enter. Explode this. See, this is the component 1, component 2. One important thing here in SAP, up to here there won't be any financial posting. This is the step. When you receive the goods, system will post consumption entries for components, receiving entries for final product, subcontracting charges posting for subcontract. So three things are getting happened. Posting for this one, posting for subcontracting charges, posting for final product are getting done at a receiving stage. That is very important step. Now financial postings will be done. 1, 2, 3. Select this. Okay. Check this. Maybe we need to enter storage location here. Check. Now click on this one. We are having some issue with this field status and business area. Comparison of the field selection string movement type 543 GL account has revealed that there is an incompatibility. Okay. If the GL account is correct, use this report to compare the field selection for movement type. You may also get this issue. So what we have to do? So what I will do? I will go to this GL account, copy this, I will open another session. Maybe something is wrong with the business area field. Click on this one, G003. Double click on this one. This is a field status variant. FSV G003 is the group. Now T code OBD4. Go to this T code. OBC4, sorry. OBC4. Select this. Double click on this one. Select this material account assignment. Business area is required. Just I will make this as optional. T code is OBC4. Now again go back. Check for consistency. For FS, this is for GL. We are going to check business area field. Now we made it optional here. For movement type, OMJJ, copy this. OMJJ, 543. Event type 543, allowed transaction, field selection, goods issued to subcontracting stock, parts provided to vendor. This one is, go here, check what is the business area. See, business area is hidden here, so make it optional. Even we can get the same from here as well. Click on this. Here we need to select this one, parts provided to vendor. Execute. If you have any issues, system will show here. Face down. I don't think we have issue here. Now go to this. Close this. Check again. We need to refresh this PO. MEMIGO. Goods receipt, purchase order. Storage location. Press enter. Check for consistency. See, it got resolved. Now post it. System posted this document. Sorry, go to display. Accounting document. See, system posted this entry. Received finished goods. Check stock issued to vendor. Check stock report, invoice verification. Now check one by one. This is before receiving the goods. Go back. Execute this again. See, we don't have any stock here. Now next step is to see, this is before receiving the goods. This is the final product. Refresh this. See, we received this. If you want to see the value, MB52, execute. See, what is the value here? Value is 55. This is in line with our Excel sheet. Now what is next? This stock, before receiving the stock, just refresh this. It will be disappeared. 198 will be there. Now next step is to Miro. This is the final step in this process. Copy this PO. We have to pay 15 to vendor. Enter 15 here. Change this to V0. Press enter. Simulate. See, this is the entry system is going to post for processing charges. Post this. Hope you understand the process.